The breakdown of FTX prompted the total obliteration of the cost of the FTT token, as it tumbled from $22 to under $2 in sight-only days. From that point forward, dealers and theorists have been examining different trades intensely. Trades have been compelled to show their evidence of stores and to take more prominent measures to become as straightforward as could be expected. Trades really must do contend with each other to exhibit their straightforwardness, since controllers are currently taking a gander at the whole business hawkishly. Might Crypto.com at some point be wiped out? Crypto.com is one trades that many suspect might be encountering issues right now. Cronos, previously known as Crypto.com coin, could well face a comparative face as FTX, as many individuals right now accept that there will be the following trade to become indebted. There are numerous similitudes among Crypto.com and FTX, prominently that the two of them burn through colossal measures of cash on advertising, including purchasing huge sponsorship, manages stadia all over the planet. On the off chance that there is a bank run, and there have previously been a few indications of this, on the Crypto.com trade, then, at that point, it is within the realm of possibilities that the trade will face the same outcome to that of FTX. The FTT token has now had its worth totally obliterated. There are a few basic contrasts, in that Cronos is a Turing-complete blockchain with a scope of dApps based on top of it, while FTT was only an ERC20 token. However, the market will in any case treat Crow brutally, assuming it accepts that the Crypto.com trade is ruined. D2T Run to exchange is an exchanging and crypto signal stage that is ideally suited for the people who wish to exchange the market unpredictability. Situating itself as the Bloomberg terminal of crypto, Run to exchange is a venture that permits examiners and brokers to gain by the unpredictability in the crypto markets by furnishing them with every one of the devices that they could have to have an edge. The dashboard unites each of the devices that examiners could need to be aware to exchange a resource successfully. Tora is the local badge of the Robotira environment, which is another play to acquire gaming project zeroed in on the metaverse. A client turns into a robot in the metaverse and has the valuable chance to develop and really focus on their own property. They can partake in the environment to procure play to procure rewards, as well as utilize the Taro token as an administration token to have the option to decide on future changes and improvements made in the game. Rhea Calvaria is a fresh out-of-the-box new play-to-procure gaming environment that ranges numerous blockchains and is at present in its pre-sale. Up to this point in the Calvaria pre-sale for the Rhea token, $1.7 million has been brought up in a very short space of time, and the pre-sale keeps on selling out rapidly. Right now, the cost of Rhea is being sold at a pace of 40 Rhea per dollar, yet this will increment to such an extent that $1 just purchases 33.33 Rhea at the following stage. What is Cronos? Cronos is the local cryptographic money badge of Cronos chain, a decentralized, open-source blockchain created by the Crypto.com installment, exchanging and monetary administrations organization. Cronos chain is one of the items in Crypto.com's setup of arrangements intended to speed up the worldwide reception of digital currencies for the purpose of expanding individual command over cash, defending client information, and safeguarding clients' characters. The Crow blockchain serves fundamentally as a vehicle that drives the Crypto.com Pay Versatile Installments application. Later on, Crypto.com plans to extend the range of the Crow stage to drive its different items also. Crow went live in November-December 2018. Who are the organizers behind Cronos? Cronos was sent off by the Crypto.com organization as a feature of its vision of placing digital money in each wallet. Crypto.com itself was established in June 2016 as Monaco Advancements GmbH by Chris Marsalek, Raphael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. Chris Marsalek, an alum of the Clean Atom Mikułek College, has established and headed 3 organizations preceding beginning Crypto.com: Customer Gadgets Plan and Assembling Business Starline Polska, area-based help versatile application and Stage E, and the web-based business firm Bikrzy. Raphael Milo procured his 4-year college education in designing from the Puck Rio. Over his over 15 drawn-out profession in finance, Milo has worked with significant organizations in Asia and got more than 50 million Australian dollars in subsidizing for the Insogo social trade site. Gary is a computer programmer with more than 9 years of full-stack designing experience before helping to establish Crypto.com, or filled in as stage planner at Insogo and helped to establish the versatile application advancement firm for us. He accepted his 4-year certification in designing software engineering from the College of Hong Kong. Prior to aiding send off Crypto.com, Bobby Bao worked in the M&A division of the China Renaissance Speculation Bank. Bao has learned at the College of Melbourne, New Harsh Institute of Business and the School of William and Mary. What makes Cronos one of a kind? Crow blockchain is for the most part centered around giving utility to the clients of Crypto.com's installment, exchanging and monetary administration's arrangements. Crow proprietors can stake their coins on the Crypto.com chain to go about as a validator and procure charges for handling exchanges on the organization. Moreover, Crow coins can be utilized to settle exchange charges on the Cronos chain. Inside the structure of the Crypto.com Pay Installments application, clients can get cashback of up to 20% by paying vendors in Crow and up to 10% by buying present cards and making distributed moves to different clients. With regards to exchanging use cases, the Crypto.com application permits clients to acquire token compensations for select postings by marking Crow. Furthermore, clients can procure yearly interest of up to 10 to 12% on their Crypto.com coins by marking them on either the Crypto.com trade application or Crypto.com's Metal Visa card. By and large, Crow goes about as an instrument that controls Crypto.com's drive to build the reception of digital forms of money on a worldwide scale. Thusly, the organization is consistently dealing with finding and growing new use cases that will permit clients to use the digital currency to improve the control they have over their cash, information and personalities. Cronos chain, an Ethereum viable blockchain, was as of late sent off to run and lined up with Crypto.org blockchain. This is similar to Binance Chain and Binance Shrewd Chain, EVM viable. Cronos chain's mainnet beta went live on November 8, 2021. And is based on the Universe SDK using a Proof of Authority (POA) agreement component. Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) similarity implies that a large number of dApps based on Ethereum can be ported onto the Cronos chain. Besides, it additionally upholds the Intune Blockchain Correspondences (IBC) convention, which permits it to scaffold to the Universe biological system of dApps. Notwithstanding the new send-off, development and all-out Esteem locked TVL has soared, arriving at a high of over $2 billion in under 90 days. This could be halfway ascribed to the molecule $100 million Crow EVM reserve, which boosts engineers to expand on Cronos. Crow token costs likewise revitalized by more than 350% since the send-off, arriving at a high of 96 cents. Span among Ethereum and Universe is supposed to approach future